Make it slow. Just listen. In this class, simple English is used the way people speak in the US. Listening will feel easier, understanding will feel natural, confidence will grow step by step. Now, let's begin.
Early in the morning, the city feels calm. Soft light comes through the window. A quiet moment fills the room. After a short pause, the curtains are opened. Outside, people are already moving. On the street, a few cars pass by. Nearby, a dog is being walked by its owner. Life feels steady and relaxed. In the kitchen, a glass of water is poured. A slow sip brings a sense of calm. Breakfast is kept simple. Food is eaten slowly at the table. No rush is felt. Before leaving, keys are picked up. Shoes are put on near the door. A deep breath is taken. Outside, fresh air touches the face. The sound of the city feels gentle. Down the street, a neighbor is seen. A smile is shared. "Good morning," he says. "Good morning," comes the reply. At the bus stop, a few people are waiting quietly. Some are looking at their phones. Others are just standing still. Soon, a question is heard. "Is this bus going downtown?" A clear answer follows. "Yes, it is." The bus arrives. Doors open. Everyone steps inside. By the window, a seat is found. Buildings move past slowly. Around the bus, small conversations can be heard. Simple words. Clear sounds. "I'll be there soon." "I'm a little late today." Understanding comes easily. That feeling builds confidence. At the next stop, the bus slows down. The door opens again. A small coffee shop appears on the corner. Warm smells fill the air inside. At the counter, a friendly voice speaks. "What can I get for you?" "A coffee, please." A short wait follows. The cup is handed over with a smile. "Thank you." "You're welcome." Near the window, a seat is taken. The coffee tastes warm and comforting. Across the room, people are working quietly. Soft conversations fill the space. After a while, the cup is empty. The day feels ready to begin. Back outside, the sunlight feels brighter. Steps move forward with ease. Inside the building ahead, work is already starting. Voices greet each other naturally. "Hey, how's it going?" "Pretty good." "You?" A desk is reached. The computer is turned on. Messages appear on the screen. Each one feels easy to read. Time moves forward without pressure. Comfort grows with every small moment. The screen lights up gently. A new message waits quietly. On the desk, a notebook lies open. A pen rests beside it. Without any hurry, notes are written down. Simple words fill the page. Across the room, someone laughs softly. The sound feels friendly, not loud. From the hallway, footsteps pass by. The day feels active but calm. After a moment, a chair is pushed back. A short stretch relaxes the body. Near the window, sunlight moves across the floor. Time feels smooth. At the water cooler, a quick break happens. Cold water refreshes the mind. "Busy today?" someone asks. "Not too bad," comes the reply. Back at the desk, focus returns easily. Tasks feel clear. On the screen, a schedule appears. Meetings are planned later in the day. Before long, lunchtime arrives. The room slowly empties. Outside the building, food trucks are parked. Different smells mix in the air. In line, people chat casually. Weekend plans are shared. "Any plans for tonight?" "Just relaxing at home." A simple meal is ordered. Nothing fancy. At a nearby table, food is enjoyed slowly. No rush, no stress. Birds move across the sky. The noise of traffic stays low. After lunch, steps head back inside. Energy feels balanced. Afternoon work begins quietly. Emails are answered one by one. Clear words make everything easy to understand. No confusion is felt. Later on, a small problem comes up. A solution appears quickly. Thanks for the help. No problem at all. As the day moves on, confidence grows naturally. Listening feels sharper. Words make sense faster now. Understanding feels automatic. In the background, soft music plays. The rhythm feels steady. Near the clock, time keeps moving forward. Nothing feels rushed. Outside, the light slowly changes. Evening starts to arrive. People begin packing their bags. Goodbyes are exchanged. See you tomorrow. Have a good night. The door opens again. Fresh air fills the space. On the street, lights start turning on. The city feels warm. Steps move toward home calmly. Thoughts feel clear. Inside the house, shoes are placed neatly. The day settles down. A comfortable chair waits nearby. The body relaxes. On the table, a phone lights up. A message comes in. Did you get home safe? Yes, just arrived. The room feels quiet and safe. Breathing slows. Understanding English now feels easier than before. Listening no longer feels difficult. Each sound feels familiar. Each sentence feels friendly. And slowly, the moment continues. The evening grows quieter. Street noise fades into the distance. A warm light fills the room. Everything feels settled. On the table, the notebook opens once more. Old notes look easier now. Sentences that once felt confusing feel simple. Understanding comes naturally. A short smile appears. Progress feels real. The phone screen goes dark. No more distractions. Outside, the sky turns deep blue. Stars begin to appear. A deep breath is taken. The mind feels calm. English no longer feels scary. It feels usable. Every sound heard today made sense. Every word felt clear. Confidence grows quietly, without pressure. No rush is needed. Learning happens step by step. Slow is strong. Tomorrow will bring new words. New sounds. But now, rest feels right. The day did its job. The chair is pushed back gently. Lights are turned off one by one. Before sleep, one thought stays. Practice works. Listening works. Consistency works.